Hi guys, welcome back. In the previous video, I have showed you how to make the shop drawing and bar bending schedule and the quantities as well for all of this stuff in the reinforcement concrete footing and PCC footing and the neck columns. And this is the output. And also here, this is the output in Excel. This is the quantities, PCC, and this is the bar bending schedule. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to convert this table into bar bending schedule into Excel. Firstly, I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna take it a copy here in a blank sheet. I'm gonna paste it. After I have pasted here, I'm gonna delete the first row and then I'm gonna start my program. Ctrl W. It will take a while to convert all of these bars into bar bending schedules. A lot of data here. It will take a while, just wait. And finished, as you see, is categorized for columns bar and for footing. This is a bar for footing F5 and this is a column bar C1, columns bar for C6, footing bars for C3. And let's make a double check in the drawing here for column C1 for bar mark 1. Here in the first one for bar mark 1 is 500 multiplied by 1066.5. 500 multiplied by 1.665 is diameter 20, 18 piece. For footing F5, bar mark number 3, it's here, 438 2610, 438 2610, and it is 512 24 piece, and we can move on for all the data here and imagine how many time to save to make all of this stuff, just for about 150 rows. And thank you for watching.